I'm McClafferty, Sales Director for Clearway. Protecting your site should not be complicated or difficult. It should be straightforward, it should be effortless, which is why we've designed the InView Detect. The beautiful thing about the InView Detect is the simplicity in arming schedules. We can set arming schedules to give you peace of mind that when you leave work at 5 o'clock in the evening, the system is arming up automatically. Likewise, in the morning, it'll disarm automatically. Starting from the bottom, it's on 3 legs, a tripod. Easy to deploy on different types of terrain. Now it's got 4 cameras on. Each camera gives you 15 metres in range direction. Them ranges can be altered, it can be drawn in. The camera can even be switched off if needs be, if you've got public passing by. And the beauty of this system is we survey, we strategically position it, we make sure that your site is protected, meaning that when you go home at the end of the day, rest assured Clearway have got your back. If somebody comes inside the zones, which we are protecting, the alarm is triggered. It can be audible, it can be set to silent if it's a residential area, but the audible warning, along with the LED lights flashing, informs the intruder that they have been spotted. The images are sent through to our alarm receiving centre, which is an NSI Gold Cat 2 registered ARC. They will work their way through the pictures, assessing whether it's a friend or foe on site, and make calls to the relevant authorities and dispatch mobile response units as required. Another beauty of it is the solar power backup, so it's long-lasting battery already built in inside. If it's external, it benefits from 4 solar panels, which keeps the battery levels topped up. This enables long life for a long-length running construction site. At Clearway, we're rethinking security today so we can deliver you peace of mind tomorrow.